everyone! Welcome to Language Journey.
Hello, I'm Chris, and today Jessica and I are talking about Don't Say This in English. This episode is perfect for A2 to B1 learners who want to avoid common mistakes and sound more natural.
That's right, Chris. Today, we'll correct common English mistakes and give you better, more natural phrases. Listen carefully, repeat, and improve your English.
First mistake.
Don't say, I very like it. Say, I really like it. Repeat, I really like it. Second mistake.
Don't say, she has 25 years. Say, she is 25 years old. Repeat, she is 25 years old. Third mistake.
Don't say, I am agree. Say, I agree. Repeat, I agree. Talking about free time.
Don't say, I have much free time. Say, I have a lot of free time. Repeat, I have a lot of free time. Talking about advice.
Don't say, he gave me an advice. Say, he gave me some advice. Repeat, he gave me some advice. Talking about work.
Don't say, I work here since 2 years. Say, I have worked here for 2 years. Repeat, I have worked here for 2 years. Making plans.
Don't say, we discuss about it. Say, we discussed it. Repeat, we discussed it.
Asking questions.
Don't say, where you are. Say, where are you? Repeat, where are you? Great corrections, Chris. Small changes make a big difference.
Thanks, Jessica. Which mistake do you often make? Tell us in the comments.
Keep practicing and speak better English every day.
Thank you for joining Language Journey. See you next time. Bye.